Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet flower pot designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you. One by one you can see different stylish and most amazing flower pot designs in front of you. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive, most amazing, colorful collection. You can decorate your homes with it. You can also contact on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet plant pot designs and others decorative things for your homes, and crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby shoes designs, sandal boot designs, crochet baby cap designs, and women material like crochet woman cap designs, crochet woman long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet woman blouse designs, crochet woman scarter designs, long dresses, short dresses, skirt designs, and crochet woman poncho designs, caplet cap shawl circular jacket designs, crochet woman leg warmers, neck warmers, and other things like jewelry, crochet jewelry you can see in on my channel. So dear friends, like crochet woman finger rings, earrings, necklace, bracelets, and anklet designs and baby anklet designs also. Dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.